sound. Why does it have to be that way? Let me see. Back on the bullshit. How you like to push it. Got me feeling so stupid. Cause I'm misunderstood. I'm only human. Sometimes I can't see if things are illusion. But tricks won't get me. And I guess I proved it. Saturday night I was driving. Sunday night we in the fight. Monday I give you the time. Tuesday all seems alright. It's cause you come in full circle. It's every week it will hurt you. Cause these up and downs are so hurtful. We both know. When the weeknights come around is when I feel like I'm safe and sound. Why does it have to be that way? Every single day I feel this great.
I don't wanna rap, wanna tell you how I feel. Way before the trap, we was knee deep in the field. I can get your clap, I done trade the strap for the tears. I don't wanna chat and I don't want no cat, just want you till lonely pill, cause I get lonely here. That's why I want you here, but I get lonely still. I might get you tatted Medusa, but you don't move me like you used to. You don't do it, been in neutral. You don't do me how I do you. But the way I see you, I ain't moving. Might leave you a sleazy G Junior. She like, leave me a piece of you. All of my pieces in ruin. She like, GB for real, what we doing? Like, Ski, how you feel about the new one? You on my mind. Know your love is timeless, I'm so sick of wasting mine. I here tryna find you like I'm fumbling through mine. I done swallowed all my pride. You can keep it honest, girl, I know I'm not your type. I ain't nothing like them guys you got chasing. Ain't no ordinary nigga, hold your pinky when you dream. Sipping feelings, now I'm painted for a dose and now she wasted. And my arms out for love. Told her no more reaching for the stars, cause I'm her son. The only way to heal a fragile heart is to break one. I'm done with all that arguing. You know you a part of me. This supposed to be a partnership. Why the fuck you always starting shit?